My team has a culture of respect, collaboration, and independence.
People kind of give you a lot of authority right off the bat. We have analysts who work with senior leads on projects. I think that's kind of a really cool thing here.
Since day one, I feel like everybody's voice is heard. Everybody does contribute their ideas and thoughts to all the team meetings, all the projects. Everybody is super inclusive.
You know, one unique thing we're doing is we constantly elevate each other's work by having brainstorm sessions and challenging each other's assumptions, especially at the project planning stage. Critical thinking is highly valued in our team.
We are from diverse backgrounds, so a lot of times we are hearing about different things, different culture, different places, so that makes our team very unique.
We host things, everything from like volunteering events to happy hours to bread baking competitions, things like that. So it's really easy to get along with people here. Everyone is super friendly, and I think working here is kind of a situation where you can make the culture what you want.